I'm Sienna Costin with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're with Lennar in Miami Lakes, Florida, taking a look at the Sartori community. Alexa Alvarez is going to be showing us the retreat plan. Alexa, take it away.
Hi guys, I'm Alexa from Lennar, Southeast Florida. And today we are at the retreat at Satori, a beautiful community located in Miami Lakes, Florida. So thank you for joining us, and let's take a tour. So right now we're in the foyer of the home. Right off to my left here is your first bedroom. So right now for this home, we have it set up as a home office, but you can use it as a down nursery, and right off to the nice door that goes right out to the backyard. So if you have any guests, you're having any parties outside, they can just come in and out, and they don't have to come in through the home. Now, as you about this is that beautiful view of that lake. Look at that. As we go outside, I'll give you more details and you could check out more about the lake. So this is a great space for entertaining. Beautiful 18 by 18 ceramic tile throughout the home. Now, as we cross through here, we're in the beautiful kitchen and family room area. So as you can see, this is a huge space, lots of light, lots of area, which is perfect because, you know, this is where you spend most of your time. This kitchen with this beautiful quartz island, stainless steel appliances by GE, gorgeous cabinetry, all included. Here, you might recognize Alexa. So the beautiful thing about our homes is Come Standard is Wi-Fi certified, so that means you have no dead spots throughout the home. You don't have to worry about that. And you have, she's listening right now, so you have Alexa set up throughout the home, and it comes with Sonos sound system, blind system, Kivo lock system, and the Ring doorbell, which I'm sure most of you are familiar with. So let's give her a little test. Alexa, start party time. Set the mood for your gatherings. She turns on music. She lowers the blinds. It's a fun little feature to have in your home that we have standard. You can also, if you have a family movie night, so Alexa, start movie time. Alexa, start movie time. Another setting, lower the blinds a little bit more, turns on your TV, and gets the family ready for movie time. So Alexa, turn on I'm Home. You can even control the lights throughout the home as well. So through this gorgeous family room, off here, you have another bathroom, which is also easily accessible to the patio area. Again, perfect for gatherings. Guests can easily come in and out. And again, look at these views. Right from your family room, beautiful patio, beautiful 67-acre lake. I know you all want to go see out there, but we're gonna save the best for last. So let's go upstairs. Like we were saying earlier, our homes come standard with the stainless steel appliances. beautiful upgrades. And again, Alexa, smart home technology, and standard Wi-Fi certified. As we come upstairs, you have the master bedroom first off to your right. So let's come on in. Again, beautiful views, great space. Alexa's even in the bedroom. So Alexa, turn on good night. Lowers your blinds, shuts down the lights, and gets you ready for your evening. Also, she's there to help you in the mornings. Alexa, turn on good morning. Okay. Ready to start your day. So through here, you have 2 closets, which provide lots of space. And here's your master bathroom. So you have 2 vanities here. Beautiful shower. Beautiful details down here. And the waterfall shower head, which is always a super nice feature to have in your bathroom. So now we make our way out and check out the other bedrooms. Before we get down to the end, so as you can see from up here from this landing, it just shows you how spacious and big this home is. As you can see, Alexa also can help you clean your home. So right now we have set up, she's always listening. So right now we have the iRobot set up, which is another nice feature that you can have when you have your home. She'll clean up here for you, and you just tell her, go back home, and she'll go back to her station. Up here we have another bathroom. Beautiful vanities, beautiful cabinetry. So this is a lovely floor plan for the second floor because you have all your bedrooms towards the back and your master bedroom right at the front, so you can see when the kids are running up and down and see what everyone's up to from up here. What we did in this home, which is always fun and always gets people's attention, is we have a little home gym here. So if you don't have, if you don't need all the space and all the rooms, you could always set up however you'd like. We have a fun little sauna up here, little yoga, relax workout room, great windows, lots of light once again. I'm gonna take it back. So down this hallway here, you have your washer and dryer. GE appliances, again, this also comes included in the home. And here's your final bedroom here. So the great thing about this community is where it's located, besides the beautiful homes and the product itself, is Miami Lakes. It's very centrally located within Miami Lakes. You are between 2 major airports. So you're within 15 to 20 minutes to Miami International and a short drive north to Fort Lauderdale Airport. You are close to 3 major thoroughfares, so you can have easy access to wherever you want to get. And we are going to be close by the Future American Mall, which is a very big selling point for everyone in the area. Very exciting. So, like I said, we're saving the best for last. Let's go back out and check out that beautiful lake. Another great feature about this community is its clubhouse. It's beautiful grand clubhouse. you're going to be able to see it from out there. It sits on the lake itself. Water park as well. The dock. I haven't mentioned it before. This particular floor plan is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 2,976 square feet. Right now we're out on the patio. Gorgeous space, beautiful pool, great entertaining area, lots of room. And as you can see, once again, you're sitting on this gorgeous, gorgeous lake. It's 67 acres. You are able to use it. You could paddleboard in it, you can sail in it. Another option that we provide our buyers is a dock, the option to have a dock. So you can sit out there. And not sure if you can see it from here, but right over there is the beautiful clubhouse just across the lake. And the sunsets on this lake are absolutely breathtaking. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is the retreat. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, you could visit us at www.lennarsatori.com, and we will have one of our internet sales consultants reach out to you with any questions or to come help make your appointment so you can see it yourself. Thank you guys.
Thanks, Alexa. Be sure to keep tuning into our Facebook page to see more new home showcases.